Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Ielts Winner. Hope you all are doing fine and staying safe. So this is the final prediction for 5th February 2022 Ielts exam for both academic and general. We have already uploaded the final version of listening writing in the channel, so you can just go and check the listening level, the listening uh, mock test, and also the writing questions and the writing mock test. In this video we will see the reading level as well as the speaking level along with the final writing and listening prediction. If you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click on that bell icon. Here you get not only tips, predictions, but also all the latest updates are uploaded whenever time needed. So let's start the video. So first, listening will be easy, but it will be fast at 1.25 speed. Okay, we have already predicted what kind of questions, map and other listening level, listening passage names have been already predicted. So you can just go and check on our channel. The link will be given in the description box. Writing task 1, you can get a combination of line, pie, or you can get map. Okay, so last time map came only in the end of the month, so we are thinking that task 1 at the beginning can be map, or mostly a combination or a simple line or pie. Other question types of these writing have been predicted. The link is given in the description box, so you can check it. Then essay will be advantage outweigh disadvantage type of questions. Agree, disagree, to what extent agree, disagree. Problem solution or cause effect solution. So any one you can get. So practice your structures and arrange your common vocabulary as per the question types. The topics from which the essay can come is crime, job and education, global issues, government, media and sports. So all the questions have been, the related questions which similar questions can come have been told in our video. So just go and check and prepare your ideas according to it. So listening is going to be easy, writing is going to be easy. Just learn the structure and proper follow the guidelines. Coming to academic reading and general reading both are going to be easy to moderate. Academic reading will be similar to these passages which are called Why Ricks Can Go Wrong, Story of Silk, Mega Fires of California, and Tea and Industry Revolution. So you can find these on Google or on YouTube. So just check them, do these passages, you will understand what kind of paraphrasing, what kind of comprehensive skill has been used in these passages. The same level will be coming on 5th Feb as well. Passage 1, you can get fill-ups and match the info with para. Fill-ups can be sentence completion or summary completion or notes completion. Passage 2, you will get multiple choice question and summary sentence completion. Passage 3 is going to be difficult, where you can get true, false, not given, yes, no, not given, match the headings and summary completion. So paraphrasing will be too much in passage 3. Rest will be easy to moderate. General reading is also going to be easy to moderate, with all the passages between easy to moderate. None is going to be very difficult, but yes, you need to have the good understanding of paraphrasing skill. Passage 1 can be summary completion and yes, no, not given. It is going to be easy. Section 2, match info with para. MCQs and fill up, drawing or flowchart kind of questions can come, so practice on that. So just don't get panic when you get those questions. It's just like fill ups only. You need to see what you need, predict the kind of word you need, and then search and write. Section 3 is going to be MCQ, that is multiple choice question, true, false, not given, and summary completion of no more than 3 words. So academic reading and general reading students can practice from miniielts.com or ieltsmentor.com. Mostly you will get passages from these two websites. Moving on to speaking, these are the most common topics that have been asked in January and that examiners are asking again and again in different parts of the countries. So part 1 topics are related to home decoration, that is what color do you like, what things you use to decorate your house, is it a good thing to decorate in your country, all such questions. They are mostly all from Makkar only. For getting things, then education and youth, then traffic, like do you like traffic, how can we reduce traffic, is it very congested in your area, and such kind of questions. Money saving and spending, scenery and nature, shoes and colors. So these are the most common topics that are being repeated all over. So prepare the questions and answers accordingly. Part 2 cue cards that are repeated mostly and that are very important for 5th Feb are: describe an ambition you haven't achieved, a time you shifted to new school or home, a foreign person you met and want to know more about, a time you got something for free, a time when you visited a countryside, a long walk that you enjoyed, an item you can't live without except phone or computer, a cake or an occasion where you had a cake, a place where you would like to go for holiday. So these are the most common and repeated questions throughout our country as well as foreign countries. So prepare your answers accordingly. In speaking, you need to focus more on your fluency and grammar rather than the content, because natural speaking will come only when you have good modulation in your voice. If you have any other doubt, do comment in the comment section, and for writing and speaking evaluations, do contact us on WhatsApp, which will be given in the description box. If you want the PDFs, WhatsApp me and I'll provide it for a minimal price. And you can also buy our book from Amazon. And for daily practice and mock test, do subscribe to our other channel that is called IELTS Practice World, where you can practice with timeline. All the best for your exam. Do well and be relaxed.